Hey, Room 101. Okay, so I've made up a little kit here that I'm going to use to practice my addition facts. So I thought I'd show you so you can make one at home. So I took a piece of paper, actually a little card, and I made numbers 0 through 9. And you see how I put the little dots on them like it was a 10 frame? So I made one for each number, and I'm going to put them in a cup, and then I'm going to stir them all around. And then I'm using a whiteboard, but you could use a piece of paper, of course. So I'm just going to reach in and I'm going to pull out a number, and I'm going to put them into my math sentence, okay? So there, I've got 4 plus 2, and then I've got a spot for me to finish that number sentence. Now, 4 plus 2. So I can think in my head 4 and then count on 5, 6, right? So I can just say that first number, 4, and then if I want to, I can use the dots to touch them as I say them. 5, 6. So I know my answer is 6. So I'm going to write a nice 6 over here. When you're writing your numbers, maybe you want to keep a list of the numbers in front of you, just in case sometimes you want to write them backwards. This kind of helps you remember. Do you want to look at your list and make sure you're writing it frontwards? When you're writing your numbers, try to start at the top. You know that. You know how I always say that. None of this stuff. Oh, it's a 6, Mrs. Bennett. Nuh-uh, that is not a 6. That's not how you write a 6. Come on, give me a break. So you're going to start at the top, come down and around. Oh, look at that 6. It's a beauty. Okay, so now I'm done with that one. So I'm just going to erase. Or if I went on a piece of paper, I would just have a whole bunch of these little empty math sentences ready for myself. I'm going to put this 4 and 2 back into my bowl. I'm going to reach around and pull out something else. There's 8 plus 9. Holy moly, 8 plus 9, that's a big one. Okay, I'm not sure of the answer. So I'm going to say the number 8, and then I'm going to count on to get my answer. So I had 8, and then I've got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So my answer is 17. Okay, another way I could think of this, if I know my doubles facts really well, then I know that this is just one more than 8 plus 8. Remember how we've talked about that doubles plus 1? I'm going to show you right here. Doubles plus 1 is something you can practice at home. First off, you got to know your doubles cold, right? 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. I even left out 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Those are all my doubles, right? So if I know all my doubles, I can do my doubles plus 1. So if I know that 1 plus 1 is 2, then I know that 1 plus 2 is just going to be one more than 1 plus 1, right? So if 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1 plus 2 is, oh yeah, 3. Good. Okay, and if I know that 2 plus 2 is 4, then I know 2 plus 3 is just going to be one more than 4, so it is 5. Yeah, good. I think I might have written my 5 badly. Let's try that again. That's the way I'm supposed to be doing it, across, down, and around. Mrs. Bennett, that is embarrassing. Okay, 3 plus 3 equals 6. So one more than that is going to be 3 plus 4, and that's going to equal 7. What? No. Did I write that? Yeah, I did. Write it backwards. What was I thinking? Sorry about that. 7. Okay. So on and so forth. So those are called our doubles plus 1. So you can just do those in the car. You don't even have to write those down. Learn those doubles. Get those down, and then try some doubles plus 1. Good job. All right, keep practicing.